The ellipse tool is one people overlook, but it's great for circling an area of the chart you want to draw attention to. Say a reversal zone, a cluster of candles, or a spot you're watching. Here's how to use it. Head over to the left side of TradingView. Go to Geometric Shapes. Simply head down and click on Ellipse. We have it already selected here, so we'll just go there. Now, it's super simple to set it up. Let's go circle this cluster of candles. Click anywhere, then expand your cursor. Now, just make it wider. But you can notice we kind of missed the candles. So the great thing is that you can actually move it. You can make it wider or taller. Awesome. Now, it's good to know that this ellipse tool doesn't give you signals. It's purely for marking and reviewing, but for keeping your analysis organized, it's a great tool. Other than that, have a great day, guys.